Here we have a Gigabyte Aero 15-inch that came in for repair. We already disassembled the motherboard. Laptop came in for no power and no charge. Customer said that this issue happened to him before, where he stepped on the charging adapter and he ended up damaging the charging connector. He replaced it. The laptop worked for a while, but now the laptop does not power on and it does not charge. Customer also mentioned something about damaging the LED light. You know, when you plug the charging cable, how you get a light, white light or amber light, the LED component is damaged. That's what the customer said. Right now, I'm trying to figure out where to plug right here. So that's the connector the customer replaced. And the customer also brought in a spare connector in case we need to use that to fix the board. The customer also mentioned that he took this to another shop and they were not able to help him out. He came in locally and hopefully we can help him out. Let's take a look at the connector area. Look at this. Right off the bat, we see mountains of solder. If you never seen mountains of solder before, that's your chance right here. I do not know if that's the soldering of the customer or the repair shop he took it to. Either way, job is not good. I do not know if we have any missing components anywhere on the board. Let's flip the board. Take a look on the back. This component looks slightly out of place and it's touching the resistor here. So maybe we can reflow that component back in place in case this component is causing any issues. It doesn't look like it, but we can fix it. Yeah, the component is out of place. Anything else? I do not think we have any components here by default. Look at the soldering. If we tilt the board, it looks factory. And it does not look like a component was ripped off from this area. And where's the LED the customer is talking about? The LED that he damaged, probably here. That's a 0 ohm resistor or fuse. Power LED, most likely here. I mean, there's a good chance that we may be able to help out the customer. Let's start by desoldering the connector and we'll take it from there. That flux does not smell good. I do not know what was used. A lotion or flux. We're gonna charge extra for the smell because I did not like the smell. Now we're gonna get people commenting saying, are you serious? You're gonna charge for the smell? Like in one of the videos I was joking and I said we're gonna charge the customer $6,000 for that Nintendo Switch repair. And you had few viewers commenting, that's a ripoff, $6,000 to repair a Nintendo Switch. It only costs $299. Why are you charging $6,000? Relax, my friend, tranquilo. Just watch and learn. If I charge the customer $1 or $10,000, why does it matter to you? We're always 100% reasonable with the charges. But if something takes me 1 minute to fix, it does not mean that we charge the customer, we bill him for 1 minute of work. How is the experience paying off? Experience pays off because you're able to do the job faster. We do not have to charge more. We charge the same price, but we use our experience to do the job faster. Nice. We do not have a ring on the board. Who needs rings, right? Let's switch over to our anti-glare light. Apply some flux. Clean out the holes. Okay, let's use a combination of hot air and the wick to clean out the hole. Switch over to our ring light. And why not fix that diode that we see on the right? Anything else that needs attention? Let's grab a replacement connector. And what kind of replacement connector is this? What kind of replacement connector is this? That's not a new connector. What the customer brought us a broken connector as a replacement. Why? Great. The customer gave me the box and he said, I have a replacement connector. That's a used broken connector. How can I use it? Maybe we can use the customer's old connector, the one that was on the board. Let me take a look at the connector. It looks like we have all the pins on that connector. Maybe we can try with that connector instead of ordering one and having to wait. We need to desolder whatever is left on the pins here. So this one goes from the bottom, and just like that. Let's start by soldering this guy right here, right at the edge of the microscope. And are we going to be able to solder this guy? I cannot tell. No. We're going to flip the board and attack from the front. We're going to remove all the flux from here. And we also have to remove the mess that we see on the left here. Nothing much going on here. Ground connected to ground, but I just had to make sure. It does not matter if those pins short out. Both of them are ground. Flip the board. Let me give this to Big Boss to reassemble and quickly test it, and I'll be back to finish the video. Big Boss is done with the reassembly of the laptop. And good news, laptop is working. Is it taking a charge? Can we unplug or not yet? Yes, yes. Battery took a charge. It was not powering on, battery power only. Now that we put the cable in for like 30 seconds, 1 minute, it took a charge. Laptop is charging and it turned on. Amazing, amazing. Thank you, big boss, the boss of all bosses. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you think. Leave it down in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll do something else in the next video.